Hello everyone. Now let's understand GEF, that is Global Environment Facility, and GCF, Green Climate Fund. What is GEF? GEF was established in the eve of the Rio Earth Summit in 1992. It is basically a fund for combating climate change, pollution, biodiversity loss, and other strains on the land and ocean. ഈ ഒരു ഫണ്ടിന്റെ പ്രത്യേകത എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇത് 5 മേജർ ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ കൺവെൻഷൻസിനെ ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ സപ്പോർട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. The major conventions are the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, UNCCD, the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity, UNCBD, the Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants, and the Minamata Convention on Mercury. ഈ ഒരു ഗ്ലോബൽ എൻവയോൺമെന്റ് ഫണ്ടിന്റെ 184 മെമ്പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്, of which India is also a member. It is headquartered in Washington, D.C. And another interesting fact is that the World Bank acts as the GEF trustee. World Bank enta cheyna. It is the custodian of all the funds donated by the countries. The GCF is the largest of its kind, which helps the developing countries to combat climate change, majorly by reducing the greenhouse gas emissions and adopting sustainable methods of production. ഈ GCFന്റെ present day relevance എന്താണ്? The present day developed countries have industrialized at the cost of the developing countries. Our major colonizers ആയിരുന്നു, and from developing countries like India, they extracted coal and other fossil fuels and developed their industries. So today, when it is the turn of developing countries like India to grow and develop, we cannot sit back saying that we are major emitters. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു greenhouse gas emissionനെ combat ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് GCF ഉള്ളത്. The GCF was established in 2010 as part of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, and it is headquartered at Incheon, South Korea. That's all for today. Thank you.